Hey friends! We're having a Samsung microwave repaired today. Let's see if there's any mica inside. Let's look up the microwave's full name. It's not working at all. I plugged it in and there's no sign of life. It also doesn't respond to any button presses. Let's take it apart. First, we need to check the fuse. I see a fuse at the input. Let's check it. The fuse isn't ringing. It's possible the problem is just the fuse itself, caused by a power surge. Or there may be another issue that caused it to fail. Therefore, the first step is to replace the fuse. If it blows again, we need to investigate further. The fuse needs to be replaced for 6 days, so I took a small fuse and soldered it on top. This fuse has the same rating as the one installed. Let's install it. The microwave is working. Let's check. I put in a glass of water and let's turn it on. I set the heat to 30 seconds. Now let's wait and see if the water heats up. We'll also check to see if the fuse blows again. As the water drains, it heats up and steam forms. Another microwave repaired.